Hello my precious people, what is up? How are you guys doing? I hope all of you are keeping pretty well. This is your girl Vic and welcome to my YouTube channel The Sassy Lead. Guys, a long time no see, huh? It feels so good to be able to sit down and film a full-fledged makeup video for all of you guys. Now today's video is all about a makeup look which is going to be pretty easy, quick and very elegant. I will be sharing with you all this makeup look which is very appropriate for the upcoming Republic Day celebration. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then please make sure you watch this video till the very end. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you were seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm the Sassy Leoman and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button into gray and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just gear up and get going. Guys, the very first thing is to just get our hair out of our way so that they won't disturb me. Okay, so guys, I am done with my skincare. Now let's just quickly move ahead with our makeup. And as usual, the first thing is using our primer, which is an essential step. Although हम बहुत ज़्यादा heavy makeup नहीं करने वाले हैं because Republic Day celebration mainly होता है workplace में and doing a really heavy makeup in workplace doesn't seem a good choice. Now, uncommon opinion, but I will be using blush first to blend this blush. I have my brushes next to me. By the way, this holder is pretty cute, है ना? I purchased it from Meesho and it is ultra affordable, I tell you. इसकी link भी I have already shared. It is in the community tab, so if you want, you may definitely check it out. Okay, so blush is done and blush पहले apply करने का reason यही था that workplace में teen girl makeup या no makeup look ज़्यादा appropriate लगता है and we do not want to overdo anything. Blush was important because I feel it is winters and a little flush of color onto our cheeks can never go wrong. So yeah, next thing is highlighter and I am using this liquid highlighter right now. You guys might be thinking कि ये सारे steps तो मेकअप होने के बाद लगाते हैं, then why am I applying these beforehand itself? Guys, the reason being कि we are not overdoing our makeup but we want that glow, so we are going to do all the base makeup over these so it won't look over the top, yet you would get a hint of these little elements. Now comes our concealer. As I have already mentioned कि हम एक quick makeup look करने वाले हैं जो कि बिल्कुल भी over the top नहीं होगा. So that is the reason we are not going to use any kind of foundation. Our concealer is going to do all the job that foundation does. Blending the concealer on my neck using a foundation kabuki brush. By the way, let me tell you guys, this brush holder has proved to be really convenient and an amazing purchase for me. Again, not sponsored. It is my honest view because we as makeup lovers, we tend to purchase too many makeup brushes and we tend to use only one kind of makeup brushes जो handy dandy होते हैं on that moment. We only tend to use those. And जो brushes cupboard में रखे होते हैं वो रखे ही रह जाते हैं. When you have all of these brushes here at one place, you tend to use all of these. Moreover, ये covered भी है, so there is no chance कि आपके brushes में धूल लग जाएगी या something like that. Can you see all your blush and the highlighter जो over the top लग रहा था just toned down and it is giving such a natural finish. Isn't it? The base is looking flawless. Now the next step that I am doing is completely optional. If you want, you can do it or you can skip it. But I want a little more dimension to my face. So that is why I am using a highlighting concealer. And again, I will be blending it using my concealer brush only. Do not forget to take your concealer over your eyelid. Let's just set our face using a compact. Remember guys, do not use too much product because we do not want to look cakey. Remember, less is more. Also, if you have noticed, I have not set my under eyes right now because under eyes पे हो जाती है हल्की सी creasing. So first let's just blend it. I'll be taking compact on pizza puff, dabbing the excess and now setting it. Let's just quickly do our brows. Remember not to overdo them. वैसे भी I prefer doing my brows naturally. I just fill the sparse areas only. Again, this step is completely optional, but I like to contour a bit. हल्का सा contour onto my nose, एकदम हल्का सा. Now let's quickly start with our eye makeup, and trust me, it is going to be so easy. First, you got to take your kajal or your eyeliner, line your eyes. एंड रिमेंबर, कोई विंग ड्रॉ नहीं करनी है, जस्ट एक पतला सा लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट कलर, यू मे डेफिनेटली टेक अ कलर्ड लाइनर, बट आई प्रेफर not taking a colored liner. Now on a blending brush, I am picking a dark brown shade, and ये जो line हमने draw की है, we need to smudge it up. Now on another brush, I am taking an exact nude shade and blending all the dark brown color. Now again taking the dark brown shade and placing it on the lower lash line. Perfect nude shade to just tone it down and blend it. Remember that the mascara should not clump your lashes. Now on a small brush, I am picking a very subtle shimmer, dusting off the excess, just highlighting the inner corner of my eye. Now lastly, I will be applying a nude kajal. Okay, that's done, and we are pretty done with our eye makeup. That is it. Next comes lips, and for that I will be doing nude lips, and I have been calling this lip combo as Pookie lips combo because these look so cute. I know this word is a bit new, and halka sa will be shading our lips like just the corners, and उसके बाद I will be applying my lip balm which has a pink tint to it, so that glossy lips भी हो जाएंगे and our lips will feel nourished and hydrated, and we are done. I'll do my hair quickly and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, this is how the makeup look turned out. So glowy, dewy and natural, and it is actually so quick and practical. It is perfect to be worn at your workplaces. For the hairstyle, I have already shared a shorts video with all of you. If you happened to miss that short, I will definitely link it in the description bar below so that you can quickly go ahead and check that shorts out. For the earrings, I wore these cute little earrings from Zudio. That is it for today's video. If you like such kind of videos, please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. And till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you in my next video. Bye.